You love your dog. Your dog loves you. Your dog provides unconditional love. And you provide everything your dog needs to be happy. But just like you, they love a good challenge. And you know there's a lot going on behind those eyes. Sit, stay, and fetch. These might keep your dog entertained while you're home. But what about when you're away? You know your best friend deserves more. And it's not just dog lovers who think so. We're discovering almost every day that dogs can do much more than just play catch, and that they're happiest when their body and mind get daily exercise. Clever Pet gives you a tool to activate your dog's mind throughout the day with smart puzzles you probably never knew they could understand, let alone solve. That way, whether you're home or not, your dog always has something to do. Starting with easy rewards and over weeks and months providing trickier challenges, Clever Pet engages your dog with sequence games, memory games, and other challenges designed by dog-loving neuroscientists. Never too easy, never too hard, always just right. Use the Clever Pet app to set a training schedule, review stats, keep tabs on their nutrition, and to check out new games that update automatically via Wi-Fi. Your dog makes you happy, and with Clever Pet, you can help them do so much more.
Life is busy. And sometimes our best friends are the ones that feel it the most. But how can you be there for them when you just can't? Introducing Ant House Pet Companion Robot. It combines all of your dog's favorite things. From playing fetch, to yummy treats, to your voice. Set it to automatic mode or use our app to interact in real time with your pet. Monitor your dog's activity and take stunning pics and video of your dog from your phone. We've been working on Ant House for over 2 years and are really excited to finally be bringing this product to Kickstarter. We'd love to have your support, and together, let's bring Ant House to the market. Thanks.
No!
Good boy. Good boy.
Our pets are such a big part of our lives. They're great companions when we're hanging out, and they always make us laugh. They really are part of the family.
Unfortunately, we can't spend all day with them. We have to go off to work, travel, run errands. When we're home alone, life just gets in the way. Our pets get sad when we're not around. They get lonely or bored or destructive. And despite all the new technology to help us be happier and healthier and more connected than ever, our furry friends seem to have been skipped over. What if we could interact with them, even when we're not there?
It's this vision for a better world for owners and pets that inspired us. Playdate lets you play with your dog or cat from anywhere in the world via our smart ball and our mobile app. Control the ball from your phone and use the camera inside the ball to see your pet as well as the environment around them.
We've done some really incredible engineering stuff with this product to get a high-definition, wide-angle camera right inside the ball, so you can see wherever your pet is going. We've also added other features, like the ability to talk to your pets, hear what they have to say, and of course, you have to have a squeaker.
Our story started years ago when I adopted a dog from a local no-kill shelter. I wanted to make sure he was getting proper exercise, lots of socialization, and sniffing a variety of things. So I built an activity tracker and slapped it on him on our walks around the city. But looking at his sad face every time I left for work, I realized he didn't need more tracking, he needed more time with his best friend. I can't be with him all the time, but Playdate is the next best thing. Playdate isn't just another dog toy. It's a great new way for pet owners to stay connected with their furry best friends.
We're excited to bring Playdate to the world, but we need your help. If you believe, as we do, that there's gotta be a better way to stay in touch with your pets when you're not around, then back this project and share it with your favorite animal lovers as well. Thanks.
Thanks, everyone.